Hi, my name is Tamer Azim. I practice here in the Financial District in San Francisco. Oftentimes, patients present to our office with signs of wear due to grinding their teeth at night while they're asleep or clenching their teeth during the day. This is called bruxism. This can be treated using a custom-made appliance called a night guard, which can be done in the office in 2 visits, and it fits over your teeth and can be worn at night to prevent further wear of your teeth. For more information about night guards, visit our website at sfdentist.org or email us at info@sfdentist.org. Call us today to schedule an appointment. We look forward to welcoming you in our office.